was a dream come true for me. This was planned, say about 3-4 years back. 2021 we organized the regional conference, and at that time I promised to myself that as Nandini always say that this is Dr. Nandini signing off from the function. So this will be my signing off function,
wow.
Which I felt that I should give my best, because I always treat this great institution as my parents, professional parents. And the kind of respect it should get from us is the same as we give to our parents. Because everything has been given to us by this great institution, and whatever we do will be little only for this great institution. So I think each one of us should try our level best to give the best to our institution so that it shines and it glorifies and it gets noted by everyone all across the India, across the nation. And with that intention, I took to myself that though it will be challenging, but I have got such a great team of teachers, of students, of non-teaching staff, that we can do it, because they raised the question at the time of allotting it to us that you don't have much staff in pathology, how you will do it? I said that, sir, conferences are not done by staff of pathology department. It is done by the whole fraternity. And I am 110% sure that my fraternity is second to none, and we will do it with best possible ability of ours. And with that confidence, I accepted it last year in Jammu. And from then onwards, it was in my mind to how to actually do it and plan it accordingly. These kind of functions cannot be planned overnight. It needs, thinking and rethinking and shaping and reshaping. So many problems will crop up because you want to give the best, and whatever conditions are existing, that has to be actually sorted out, and the problems has to be sorted out. People have to be motivated to come forward and take up the responsibility. So all these things will actually test your ability to organize such a function, because it is such a prestigious thing. It's not only about the college, it is about the state also. It is about each one of us getting viewed microscopically, macroscopically by those who are coming here. And I am very proud to say that we had done our best, and everyone has appreciated, as our respected teachers have said. So that has given me the most satisfying moment of my whole career, that such kind of function we could organize. So for that I am here to give. हम थोड़ा दूसरे direction में चले जा रहे थे. Everybody was talking about me. That was not the purpose of this function. It is for you only, and we are grateful to you all for being with us all along. In that sense, I am going to speak further. So, most respected and our senior teachers, Dr. Mehta, Dr. Sharma, Maria Madam, our senior teachers sitting off the dais, Dr. Abhishek, Dr. Raju, Dr. Hansa, Dr. Swati Madam, all our colleagues, all our students, non-teaching staffs, आप सभी को जोहार. ये जोहार मैंने अभी कहना सीखा, but it really gives lot of pleasure to say जोहार, because we belong to Jharkhand and we should accept the customs of Jharkhand, and that gives added pleasure to us. So this is time to actually show our gratitude to all of you. As an organizing secretary and as a co-organizing secretary, Dr. Pragya with me, both of us in the veterinary pathology department, whatever I am saying is on behalf of the whole organizing committee and from my behalf and on behalf of Pragya also. it's time for us to say, extend our gratitude to all of you for being with us every time, every minute, every hour, every second of this conference. I had the, you can say, privilege of being with you, all the committee members, all along the conference, in the preparation time, post-conference, and I have never seen such dedication, such commitment by each one of you. What to talk about teachers? The students, we are proud of you students. What you have done is remarkable. There is no parallel to it. We have attended so many conferences, but the kind of commitment you have shown, that those sleepless nights in the cold, standing there at the airport, at the railway station throughout the night, not sleeping, when coming here again, backstage, arranging things in the library, looking after the food stalls, whatever being said by respected teachers was done without any fail, with all sincerity and with all energy and freshness. ऐसा नहीं था कि कोई बोझ समझ करके कर रहा था. Everybody was doing that with great commitment to the job. That was remarkable, and I really feel that such students should also be there everywhere. We never expected such kind of commitment and dedication. You are superb, you are unmatched, and God bless you all for the future also. So thank you very much to all the students who have worked for this conference so hard. The internees, they were so polished. I mean, they spoke as if the assistant professor was speaking with such fineness and nicety. They had, responded to each and every queries being made, because they were there with the delegates. So therefore, their contribution was unmatched, I must say. So giving thanks is an elaborate process. So I will start with thanking our Honorable Minister of Agriculture and Animal Husbandry and Cooperative, Madam Shilpi Neha Tirki Madam, who could not make it to the function, but she was always there, and she always supported and always appreciated our effort and said that this function is very important and I will try very hard to come, but unfortunately, because the session was starting, she could not come. So we are extremely thankful to her for all the support she has extended, and we are extremely thankful to our Secretary Sahab also, Abu Bakr Siddiqui sir, IAS. He was so cooperative on that day of the inauguration. He was busy in the court. Then the Chief Secretary put the meeting, and still he was responding to my call and said that people are coming from outside the state, so it is very important for me to come and attend the function. So he despite of his busy schedule, came and attended the meeting and blessed us all with his address. So we are extremely thankful to our Secretary Sahab also. Then we are extremely thankful to our Honorable Vice Chancellor sir, who had been pillar of strength to us, all of us, and he was always there, concerned about the proper conduction of the conference and proper care of the delegates who are coming. What are the accommodation facilities you have? What transportation facilities you have developed? He was keeping track of everything, and he was there for the inauguration and the valedictory function, and the kind of speech he delivered was appreciated by one and all. Despite being man of agriculture, plant pathology, he had a very good perception of science and can very easily grasp what is going on and give his comment on those particular points. So we are extremely thankful to our Vice Chancellor Sahab also. And we are extremely thankful to all the office bearers of IAVP and ICVP, the presidents, the general secretaries. They had been very cooperative and helped us in actually carrying out all the sessions nicely. And I am also thankful to there were two persons you must have seen. Dr. Bala Subramaniam was there, who was Secretary General, and Dr. Saminathan, that South Indian person, youngish. They had been helping us for last 2 months to actually fine-tune the whole process, and therefore their appreciation, we need to appreciate their contribution, which was remarkable. And then there was one old person sitting there, scientist from IVRI, head of the division, Dr. Somanshi Saab. Despite of his age, he came all the way from Bareilly, and he was there all along, and he was keeping very strict vigil on everything that was happening, whether it is happening as per the जो हमारा जो norms है IAVP का वो follow हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है. All those things were very critically being examined, and suggestions were given to us. So therefore, we are extremely thankful to Dr. Somanshi Saab also. Having said all these things, now we come to our own fraternity, and I would like to, this is my privilege to extend gratitude and thankfulness to all our family members of this Ranchi Veterinary College. So first of all, I would like to thank Dr. Alok Pandey, the senior OC, and was very much concerned when I said that we have to arrange for poster session those boards. He did not bother about what the steps has to be taken. He simply ordered कि मेरे को 8 चाहिए यहाँ पर आप ला करके दीजिए हमारे यहाँ conference होने वाला है. And the next day those stands were there with us. Such was his concern that there should not be any front in which we should be left wanting. And therefore I really appreciate he was always there all along. वो सुबह में आकर के मेरे पास बैठ जाना है, क्या हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है उसको देखना है, समझना है, और जहाँ पर इनकी आवश्यकता पड़ती है, the kind of welcome speech he gave, everybody appreciated. So a big round of applause for our Now coming to the preparation of compendium, that was a hell of a job, very tough. Initially there was very slow flow of abstract, but later on it started speeding up, and lot of these things, abstract and lead paper and everything was coming to categorize it, to actually properly index it, to classify it into the oral presentation, poster presentation, who will be the lead paper, do it in a nice way. That is a very difficult task. And that was the whole team led by Dr. Ravinder and Dr. Raju and Dr. Swati and everybody. Usme They worked overtime for last 4 days